guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a review and eye look with the Kylie Sippin' Pretty 21st collection. So yeah, I've created this eye look right here. So yeah, it's something different for me. It's kind of purpley pink, rose gold. So I'm a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I actually really like how it turned out. So I show you swatches in this video, I show you how to get this eye look, and then I tell you at the end if it's worth it or not. So if you want to see whether this palette is worth the $65 and how I got this look on my eyes and if it went smoothly or not, then please keep watching. So today I'm so excited. This came really quick. I only ordered it last week and it came so quickly, and they didn't charge me customs. I'm so happy. As soon as the postman ran the door, I seen the package in his hand, I was like and then he was like, here you go, thanks, have a nice day. And I was like I'm so lucky. The last few times the customs I have been got bad, like I'm talking on €100 package, I've been charged like €35. That's like nearly a quarter. Like that is bad. Like, oh sorry, no, nearly half. What am I saying? That is so bad, like so bad. So I was like, please, this is $65. I probably would charge like €20 on it, and it just I wasn't. So it's a good day for Kiki. But anyway, you know what I'm talking about. It's the Kylie Sippin' Pretty eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. I didn't know whether to get this or not, but I've seen everyone rave about it, and I don't know, it's just a really nice colourful palette. I think like it's handy to have if you want to dip into kind of a few different colours but have your neutrals too. So I don't know, I got sucked in and I really wanted it. So yeah, this is the packaging. So I love the packaging. Like, it's her really nice blonde hair with her little party poppers and her balloons, and it's a really cool packaging. Then on the inside you have the red cups, and it came in a pink box instead of a black box. It usually comes in a black box. And then this is the palette. It's actually, I don't know why now that I'm looking at it, I'm like no, that's right, but I was like, should it not be bigger than this? But then I was like, for like 21 shades, but then I was like, no, sure, you can't have a huge, like a Morphe palette. But I don't know why I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's actually the perfect size. And it says Sippin' Pretty in pink sparkly writing, and then it's all black, and then it has the shades on the back in black and silver. So are you ready to see? So this is it. It is so nice. I love it. And the pan, you get the big mirror then as well. The pans are like the same size. If you have like the Nice or Naughty palette, they're the same size pans as them. I don't have any of her round palettes, like the bronze, or I actually have the bronze extended, what am I saying? But these are the square ones, so they're the same size as like the Nice or the Naughty palette, but these are so nice. I'll do some swatches as well, but I just want to play with it on my eyes. I don't know what kind of look I'm going to go for, so I'm going to decide, and then I will zoom you in and we will start a look. So I have decided what kind of look to do. So we're going to be using my Morphe E23 to start off, and we are going to go into, let me see now, we're going to first go in to this shade called Moscow Mule, and it's quite like a mauve-y undertone transition shade, but it's really nice. So we're just going to place this in our transition. That built up so nice. It's a really nice colour. Like, it's really buildable, but it's also pigmented enough that, you know, but you can build it up as well, which I prefer. I hate to go in and then you have to really try blend it out to make it work, but no, that was so nice. So we're going to try another shade. We're going to go into this shade called Check ID, and this is just a darker mauve, bit of a purpley mauve undertone. And again, we're just going to go back in with our same brush and go over this shade. That one applied really nice as well. The only thing I will say is there is a lot of fallout. Like, I didn't even touch this shade yet, and just because I touched this shade, it's all after like all the powder. I don't really mind like a lot of fallout, or if it's kind of powdery, your palette just looks a mess. But if they work well, I don't mind. So I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to change to the MAC 217 brush, and I'm going to go in with another shade. We're now going to go into this shade called Jungle Juice. It's a really cool kind of cranberry shade, really nice. So we're going to place this in our crease with our MAC brush and see how this applies. Okay, so be very careful with that shade. Oh my god, I literally picked up, I just put my brush in like that, and so much like kickback happened, and so much came off my brush that I had enough for 2 eyes. I literally only had to dip in once for 2 eyes. That's how pigmented it is. So be very careful, because like that could have easily went wrong and your eye could have been ruined. So that's why I always start off with a little bit and build it up. But all I did was like that, and so much came off. But anyway, that's a really pretty shade, like a pink cranberry. I definitely don't really do looks like this, but I didn't want to get this palette to do another bronze look. Believe me, these shades are calling my name, but I said I'd do something different today. So yeah, this is quite nice. So now I'm actually going to go into this shade called, let me see, Poor Decisions. As you can see, it's really glittery, but I'm just going to tap off the glitter. But it like has a really cool like reflex, purple kind of reflex to it. It's really nice. We're going to go in with a Morphe M433. It's just a bit smaller, and you just dip in and literally just tap off the glitter, and I'm going to place that in my inner and outer corner. That applied, oh my god, seriously, that applied really nice as well. Just added a bit more of a kind of purpley tone. This is so not me, like this look is so not me. But once it's finished, I think I like it. But some people probably love this, but I'm a little bit out of my comfort zone. But I'm trying to do more colourful looks for you guys. So I really want to try this black called Blackout, because you need a good black in a palette, and that's, I feel like, the trickiest. So we're just going to go in with this pencil brush, the Morphe E18, and just place this on our outer corner. That is a nice black. It's really buildable. It's not like the most intense black, but it is a good black. It's not patchy or anything. You just, again, build it up. There's so much fallout on my eye though. If you're using this palette, do not do your foundation first, because seriously there's so much fallout on my eye. But yeah, we're just going to go into a lid shade now and an inner corner shade, and then we're kind of done. We just need to do the bottom. So for a lid shade, I'm going to go into this rose gold. I think it'd be quite fitting, and this is called 21 Plus. It's a really nice rose gold shade. So I've just sprayed my brush with Fix Plus. It's just a flat Urban Decay brush, and we'll see how this applies. Applied really nice. Once the brush is wet, it applies quite intense. It's such a nice rose gold, like it's a true rose gold. So we're just going to go into inner highlight color now, and I really want to try this pink called Bday Bitch. It's a really nice champagne-y pink, and I just want to put that in my inner corner. Well, that is intense because it's quite glittery. I actually really like this look now with that rose gold and the black. So I'm going to finish my face off camera, and then we're going to come back and finish the eyes. So I have the rest of my makeup done, so I'm just going to finish the bottom of my eyes and then do my mascara. I have my brows done, and then I'll come back and show you the finished look. So I'm literally just going to go into Jungle Juice, and I'm going to go into this little blending brush by Makeup Geek, and I'm just going to literally smoke that underneath my eye. So we have our mascara on and everything else, we're dressed. So now we're going to be trying out the new Jamie Genevieve and Mac Cosmetics lipstick. I was so excited the day she announced this, I bought it. It was sold out on Mac and in Brown Thomas, but I got it from Arnott's. So I'm so excited because I love a good nude, and me and her kind of like the same nude, so I had to try it. So we're going to go in with Kylie Coconut because this is a bit darker and her nude is quite light, so it'll just kind of blend together. And for the nude, it comes in this really nice box. That's her denim jacket, and it has Jamie Genevieve in gold. And then this is the lipstick right here, just in the normal packaging, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous nude. So we're just going to put that on the lips. If that's not the most gorgeous nude, I literally don't know what is. It's like the perfect beige undertone, and it's a cream sheen, so it's not like completely matte. With this lip liner, like I'm feeling it. I love it, and it goes with any eye color as well. So yes, this is the finished look. Sorry, my hair is just one of those days. So this is the finished look with the eyes and the lips. So I do recommend this palette. I think it's really nice. It's really pigmented. Just be careful, some of the colours are a little bit too pigmented and there's a lot of fallout, but yeah, it's a really nice palette, and it is 85 grams per shadow. So I know $65 is a bit expensive, but you get 21 eyeshadows. I don't know, it's up to you whether you think it's worth it or not. I really like it. I really like how my eye came out. It's something different. As I said, if you want to like dive into colour but not like crazy colour, this is pretty good because it's like neutral and a few pops of like purple and pink and navy and stuff like that, cranberry. So yeah, I think it's a really nice palette. I'm glad I got it. I would recommend it. I think it is really nice. The shimmers are really nice. The mattes blended really nice. Just as I said, be careful with how much you pick up and be ready for fallout. There, even on your face, there's a lot of fallout. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful if you're deciding you want to get this or not. And please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and follow my Instagram down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.